Dive into the world of Python lists, a versatile tool for handling collections of data. Grasp their utility and practical applications in this concise tutorial. What is a list? A Python list is a mutable, ordered collection of items. Lists can store elements of mixed types. Let's see an example. Here, data points variable is a list containing two numbers, a strings, and a boolean. This demonstrates the versatility of lists. Accessing list elements. Lists use zero-based indexing. Access elements using their position. Here, data points 1 accesses the second item. You can also use negative indexing to traverse from the end. Modifying lists. Lists are dynamic, allowing you to add an element. Use Append to add items to the end. Insert an element. Positionally insert items using insert. Remove an element. Remove deletes the first occurrence of a specific value. List slicing allows you to extract a portion of a list. This extracts data from the fourth to the sixth element. Next is list comprehensions that provide a compact way to create lists using iterables without looping. This creates a list of squares for numbers 0 through 5. Useful list methods. Sort with sort organizes items in ascending order. Reverse with reverse flips the list order. Count with count returns occurrences of a specific value. Real-world chronicles. Book sales analysis. One winter evening, you were handed monthly sales data of best-selling book. The challenge? Deriving meaningful insights. You start by calculating the monthly sales average, then extract the months exceeding that average. Sum aggregates the total sales, and len retrieves the number of data points. The average is computed by dividing the total by the count. The enumerate function returns both the index I and the value sale for each item in monthly sales. The list comprehension then checks if the sale exceeds the average, and if so, fetches the corresponding month name. Python lists are an indispensable tool for data management and analysis. Whether you're categorizing diverse data points or deriving insights from sales data, harness the power of lists to streamline your operations. Dive in, experiment, and leverage their potential.